What is a divorce in Colorado and how is it legally defined? Now, what's actually interesting is that in Colorado, in the law, it's called marital dissolution, not divorce. But it is divorce. And so, what a divorce is, first of all, what are the prerequisites? One has to be married. And in many states, that's actually not a thing that we have to think about a lot. But in Colorado, we do, because we actually represent several people every week, every month, who have to face that question first. Are we married? Because Colorado has common law marriage in addition to formal marriage. So formal marriage is easy. You got a marriage license, you had a ceremony by an officiant who is authorized by the state to conduct the ceremony, and they signed your license. You are married. Or you did that in some other state. Colorado recognizes marriages done in any of the other 50 states and pretty much any country in the world. But then there's common law marriage, and that is an entire another animal where you may think that you're married. And the law of common law marriage has changed and has been flexible. So it sometimes requires a lawyer to help you and then a court to decide whether, in fact, you were, in fact, married. But so marriage, once it's decided that you have one, is a contract. And it is a contract to share your life. And we don't need to go into all the details of all the things that are said in your vows. But it is a contract that then can only be broken by the state. There is no such thing as common law divorce. So a divorce is something that must be ruled on by the state. And then that dissolves, that's why it's called marital dissolution. It dissolves the marriage and puts the parties back in a place where they are no longer married, but distributes the assets and the fruits of the divorce, the debts of the divorce, in between the parties in what is what is deemed an equitable way. It also deals with the allocation of parental responsibilities. If there are children of the marriage, it deals with how the different parties are going to be allocated the responsibilities of supporting the children, raising the children, making decisions about the children, and of course, having parenting time with the children. And those are all the things that are handled in a divorce in Colorado.